lived a little otter named Ripple, who played all day in the sun, sliding through the waving grasses, spinning circles in the stream, chasing tiny silver minnows in a place that felt like dreams. Ripple loved the crystal water, cool beneath the morning light. Every splash and every current made the whole world feel alright. Oh, Ripple of Poe Springs, dancing through the water clear. Every little act of kindness makes the whole wide world feel near. Like a circle moving outward, every choice means something too. When we help protect the springs take care of you. One day Ripple stopped and wondered why the grasses looked so thin, why the water seemed less sparkling than the days he'd known before then. But above the springs he noticed people working side by side, planting flowers near the shoreline, helping life return with pride. And the river started changing, tiny fish returned once more. Sunlight reached the deeper places like it had in years before. Oh, Ripple of Poe Springs, dancing through the water clear. Every little act of kindness makes the whole wide world feel near. Like a circle moving outward, every choice means something too. When we help protect the springs take care of you. Tuck flew low above the cattails, Moss looked up from Rum Island. Dragonflies lit up the twilight as the springs grew strong again. Oh, Ripple of Poe Springs, keep the circle moving on. Every child can help the water with the love they carry strong. And the springs will keep on singing under skies of gold and blue. For the heart of wild Florida lives in